Hello, today I will discuss no overlapping keyword. So let's get started. No overlapping keywords mean ensuring that the same search query does not unnecessarily trigger multiple keywords or campaigns within a Google Ads account. If multiple keywords are eligible, Google first performs an internal selection and choose only one keyword based on factor like uh, ad rank, quality score, bidding, and ad relevancy or landing page experience to keep campaign organized and send the traffic to the right campaign. I use cross negative keywords and proper campaign structure. This optimization, reporting, and budget and skill. Thank you so much.